The VaporLogic controller web interface combines all the functions available on the keypad or touchscreen display with the layout and navigation you would expect to see on a full-size computer screen. Direct connection requires a computer with an Ethernet port and an Ethernet cable. This demo is captured on a Windows 10 PC. Access the computer's network settings, which on this computer is the Network and Sharing Center, easy to find on the control panel. In the Mac operating system, look for Network under System Preferences. Go to Change Adapter Settings, right-click on Ethernet and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and choose Properties. If you see an IP address and default gateway already entered, write them down because you will need them to resume work on the network to which you normally connect. Select Use the following IP address and click on the IP address field. If Use the following IP address is already selected, just click in the IP address field. Enter 192.168.1.190. Click in the subnet mask field and it will autofill. In the default gateway field, enter 192.168.1.1. Click OK and close the window. The computer is now ready to connect to the VaporLogic board. Connect the computer Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on the VaporLogic board. Open a web browser on the computer. We like Firefox, and that's what we're using in this demo. In the address line, enter 192.168.1.195. This is the VaporLogic board IP address. Press Enter, and the VaporLogic controller web interface opens. Here you can check and change operating parameters such as the mode. You can view and clear alarms and messages, set up downstream devices, and everything else. All the information and access available on the keypad and touchscreen display are now available on the computer in multiple languages. This is important. If you direct connect to the VaporLogic board and then return the computer to the network it normally accesses via Ethernet, you must change the selection back to Obtain IP address automatically. Or, if your computer had used the following IP address selected, then key in the numbers you wrote down earlier. Do this before connecting the Ethernet cable to your everyday network to avoid possible conflicts and error messages throughout the network.